Our topic is DevSecOps. We are going to discuss about how it is useful and what are the why we need this DevSecOps and how to implement this. Okay, we'll go with this. Okay, because DevSecOps we can build safer software in faster way. Like the problem is we are following old approach, like the old way security is roadblock at the end. Like we are implementing that in the end of the project, but it is not at all a good way to do that because before that only we need to implement at the starting stage only we need to implement. The solution is it is about the moving those steps at the beginning. It's like we can implement that in early stages. We can identify the risk at the early stage itself. And what is DevSecOps? Like we know that security is in now everyone's job, not only DevOps people, not only development. Everyone should involve and everyone should take in responsibility here. Like development and security and operations together, we integrate that security practice into every phase of software project. So it will be using automation. So we can identify the risk at the early stage itself. Yeah, and we have in motto here shift left. This means moving the security checks at the earliest possible instead of using implementing that in the end of the project. And why we need means we have three benefits here. The first one is saving the this cost effective things, because when we do this at the end of the means it will be more costly and we'll get frustrated at that time because we need to do everything at the end. If we do at the end of the project means, if we do at the early stage means we can save the money as well, and we can speed up the process as well. We can automate the security things at early stage. And then how to implement this? We can implement this in automated pipelines like code reviews, checking the passwords using automated scanners to look for the secrets like passwords or API keys. We can identify that, and will get an message from that we are going using these passwords there itself. And building review check that the third party pods is this is the second one. And almost all software uses open source libraries. Like we can use tools to automate the scan libraries to make that, like none of them use have known dangerous vulnerability. We can identify those things as well. And then real-time example, the scenario, for example, developer updates an configuration file to set up a new server in the cloud. Accidentally they copy pasted a line to the make server. So what DevSecOps will do, the automatic security scanner check the configuration file instantly. You can see that whenever setting up the public access, it is a policy violation, so you can't launch that particular instant because uh, like it will deployment start immediately.